Navigating through online banking systems can sometimes lead to encountering error codes or messages that disrupt the user experience. Among these, LGN024 might signify an authentication or login related issue specific to Navy Federal, possibly related to incorrect login credentials, server errors, or account specific issues. If you have encountered an LGN024 error while accessing Navy Federal's online services, here are steps you could take. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password associated with your Navy Federal account. Pay attention to letter cases and any special characters. Sometimes stored data in your browser can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Attempt to access your Navy Federal account using a different browser or device. This can help identify whether the issue is specific to a particular browser or device. If the issue persists, reaching out to the Navy Federal's customer support is advisable. They can provide personalized assistance, troubleshoot the error, and offer solutions tailored to your account. Remember, specific error codes often come with specific solutions provided by the institution's support team. Therefore, for an error like LGN024 on Navy Federal's platform, their customer support would be the most reliable source for resolution. Please note that the information provided in this video is based on a general troubleshooting practices and not specific to any known error code LGN024 within Navy Federal system as of my last update. For the most accurate assistance, contacting Navy Federal support directly would be the best course of action in resolving such issues. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.